So he is saying thank you very much for airing the raid that have done earlier, no? In 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. sa 168 Mall, ano? So so our program congratulate the CIDG and CR, no, for having that raid very successful. At sa katunayan nga, sinabi ko nga kanina ay halos 1,500 Nokia cellphones, fake, ano, imitations were get by the CIDG operatives. At syempre mukhang ang kasunod niyan ay kaso, no? Sasampahan ng kaso itong mga negosyanteng nagbebenta ng mga peking Nokia cellphones, ano? At syempre ito'y ang nangyari ding raid kanina ay isang babala, no, sa lahat ng mga negosyante na nagbabatinda ng mga peke kahit na bawal, no? For the sake of tubo, huwag nyo nang isipin yung tubo dahil kita nyo yung nangyari kanina, no? Malaki ang tubo ng ilang buwan pero natangay lahat ng puhunan, lugi. Okay, no? So syempre si Toto Pediris, no? Nakikinig siya ngayon. Siya yung ating kasama kanina. Yan raid sa 168 Mall. Okay. So, sabi ni Albert Cabalen, tired and sick with the politicians, not interested to meet them.
But we still need the approval to push all this advocacy and bills that we need to solve the poverty problem. It cannot be done just by ordinary citizens.
Yes. As a matter of fact, we too are very tied to politicians. We don't want to meet them, but because of this advocacy, we are obliged to meet them so that we can tell them these advocacies. Is it Okay.
Yeah, we need their action and their approval and their votes to sign this into legislation.
Yes, okay. So we don't have enough time, engineer. So maybe parting words coming from you.
Thank you, Zaldi and Roland, for having me, and of course, thank you everybody for your kind participation. Good night and God bless.
Yes, thank you very much, Engineer Saber. To all our listeners, texters, and callers, thank you very much for always supporting our program. We will also miss you, and wishing us luck is very welcome, and thank you very much for always supporting. Good evening, and to all of you.